Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Pepe. Wanted to do a quick update on this. I think the technicals look quite interesting. I know some of you are interested in Pepe still as well. I used to cover this very often. Not anymore, unfortunately, because well, the price and activity have not been great. But I actually do think we have a chance to go higher here. And I think in general, and that's also what I wanted to start off with. I'll make some sort of a pump overview for today. About coins that can still rally up higher. And there I also wanted to talk about meme coins, because some meme coins are actually looking quite good and some meme coins are actually showing quite a lot of strength. And I think that's interesting. I mean, Bonk yesterday also was showing quite a bit of strength, is trying to get a bullish reversal here. I think Pepe is trying to get a bullish reversal, but that's what we'll talk about in this video, of course. But some other altcoins such as SPX also look pretty good here. So yeah, definitely meme coins, even though nobody is saying this, and honestly, look, meme coins are not the best opportunity, are not, look, they've failed a lot of people, let's keep it at that, in the last couple of months. But if we just base it off of the technicals, they look quite good, and that's also what you can see right here with Pepe. We've talked about this earlier, and what I said then is that, you know, this is the first bottom. If you zoom all the way out, this is the first bottom basically since December that's actually not only being defended, because we've had other bottoms being defended, right? I mean, here you can see the bottom was defended, here the bottom was defended, here it was defended. So that's not new, but this is the first time that we actually have a bottom being defended. That's first of all a very strong support level if you base it off of the technical data of the last year, last 13 months actually, because we first broke above this level March 2024. But then apart from that, this is also the first level where we actually see some volume, some relatively high volume going into bullish moves, right? The highest volume we've had was with these moves. So what that shows is that there seems to be some sort of a risk appetite at this level to buy Pepe again. Now, does that necessarily mean that we are going to rally? That's a different question, all right? Because rallying is very different and much more difficult than supporting a bottom. I do think this bottom is, at least for the short term, the bottom, all right? I don't think we're going lower than this level right here around 550. That's where we spike down into. So it is possible that we'll drop down there. But for now, I think it is also very dependent on what Bitcoin does. All right, and Bitcoin, obviously right now it's the weekend, so it will most likely remain stable. But if Bitcoin is going to be able to keep up some sort of bullish momentum, and if Bitcoin is going to be able to break above 84.7, the main resistance level here, basically if we're getting stronger markets or more bullish momentum in the markets, I think meme coins are one of the categories that will do the best. Even though I don't see any fundamental reason to say that, because meme coins, obviously, like I said, they haven't done great and the sentiment around them is still super bearish. The technicals show that there actually seems to be some buying, some appetite for buying them. So therefore, for now, I would say, especially in the weekends, I think we'll just remain stable. But given the way that we're actually getting this buying volume, and given the way that the technicals are shaping up here for Pepe on the lower time frames, I'm going to have to say that I think it's most likely that we will rally up higher into 800 right here, into 850, 860. And there we have massive resistance, especially between 860 and 900. So we'll talk about that level later. It's going to take a lot to actually break above that. So that's something I do not expect. But rallying higher, like I said, up to 800, up to 860, I do think is most likely right now. But I'll keep you updated on that. Like I said, it is slightly dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin all of a sudden drops down here and it turns much more bearish, the situation changes, of course. But for now, seems pretty strong. And that's what you need to know about. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.